Falava everyone. Welcome here to our cook show. So now I'm going to cook a salmon oka. So my ingredients I used, this is a coconut cream. We not have a coconut like a real coconut, but this is a easy way nowadays. And also I have 2 tomatoes. These are fresh fruits I use, the onion and the lemon. So I use 2 lemon, and these are little cucumbers. So you see, it's little cucumbers. And this is a fish. What is this fish, baby?
Tuna.
Tuna. This
Ahi
is
tuna.
hockey tuna from America.
Ahi tuna, not
Ahi tuna.
not hockey tuna.
Ahi tuna. Yay. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is cut the fish in little pieces. So I'm not really in cut it. I'm too scared, but I just be like slowly. Yeah, you happy? And this is my favorite, my most favorite salmon food. It's oka. Yeah. So I try to make a little pieces like this. Yay! Valentine. Happy Valentine to my wife.
Oh, thanks, baby.
You're welcome. I'll finish the fish and I'm going to cut the cucumber. So you slice in like 2 pieces and make it 4. And this is my first time I see this size of this cucumber. I never eat this kind of cucumber.
Taste one.
It's really good. It's not different from the big one. Just tastes nice.
Size doesn't matter.
I think so.
Wow.
My sexy move. Now, baby, I'll show what could you got me. I'll show what. I'm going to cut the onion. But fish, it's here. Onion. Onion in salmon. Tomato. Lemon, tipolo. Lemon, tipolo or polo. Coconut, pe. So you make the onion in small pieces. So now I'm going to put the pepe inside. Put the pepe out.
Is that the cooking?
Onion inside here. So you just put little bit Salt in Samoa it's masima. Long time ago we never used the salt, but we used the sea. But we not use the sea from the beach, but we go beyond the reef and bring the sea, and we come and boil it and make the salt. So if we cook like a pig or cow, so we use the sea to cook it because it's salty. Now I'm going to cut the tomato. Mix all together my ingredients and the fish. And now I'm going to put the lemon.
Do you guys only call those lemon, maybe? Because that's a lime. The green ones on the with the green on the inside are lime. Lemon are the yellow ones with the like white yellow on the inside.
Lemon, lime, they're all brothers. Tipolo or lemoli, they're different name in Samoa. It's strong, so. And try to taste if it need more lemon or if it need more salt or and so forth. Baby, can you pass the spoon, please?
Sure.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
So try to taste if it's like
Don't put it back in. I'll wash it.
can I invite your mom to taste it? Or no?
Sure.
Okay, now I'm done with it, with the okra. So I don't know if it tastes good or not, but I don't know if it's the lemon is good enough or not. So I'm going to give to my beautiful mom-in-law to taste it if it tastes good or not. So,
Papa?
yeah, what do you think?
Oh my goodness, it's perfect.
Oh, so now,
The best one I've ever had.
okay, so now you have a feedback. It's amazing. It tastes delicious. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, now I'm done with my okra. So now I'm going to do a dance, small dance to end our cooking show. Ai mea ai baleni. I don't know what's the song. Si fe e tango yellow ulu po a ea na mea o yai a o si fe e ua tilo mai wale mani no lo toile mea I find my beautiful oka. Thank you very much. Good, you need more lemon in?
No, honey, I think it's perfect.